Okay, I just finished filming, making the papier-mâché mold, and you can see what a giant mess I have right here. And it is super important for you guys to clean up well, because yesterday, let me tell you, I was not happy about the messes I had to clean up. So first of all, you want to take care of any of these scraps. Don't leave these sticking to the counter or to your desk. They will definitely become hardened and become a permanent part of the counter, and that would be really, really bad. Take your leftover glue that you don't need anymore and carefully pour it back into the jug, okay? Try to get it all back in there if possible, all right? And then you're going to, first of all, wipe up this mess and then clean up those two things. So the first thing is get a washcloth with some water on it, which I'll show you in a minute. Well, I'll show you during class where to find them, but you need some washcloths and you need to wipe this down thoroughly. Now, what I'm finding right now when I'm wiping this is that it feels still sticky. Even though you don't see any white now, it's still very sticky. So spray it with either a little water or some cleaning solution to continue to do that until you don't feel any more stickiness, okay? You may need some of the actual cleaner that we have in the room. Some of the orange cleaner or blue cleaner. There's two different kinds. And that soapiness will help you finish cleaning, okay? So step number one is that. Step number two is to wash out your containers. Let me just aim you over here at the sink so that you can see what I'm gonna do. So I have my gluey container here and my gluey brush. Even though I didn't really dip this in glue, it's still gonna be sticky and it's gonna be ruined if you don't clean it well. So take some hand soap, run some hot water. If the water is too hot, you can turn a little cold with it, but it's gotta be at least warm, okay? And then you take your soap and you soap up all the bristles of that brush until they feel nice and soft and not sticky anymore, okay? And then you can rinse it off. And you could actually even use the brush to help you with the water cup too. Put a little soap in there and get all the glue out of the water cup as well. Rinse it out so that the water cup and the brush are both perfectly clean, and then the water cup will go back to its stack. There's a stack over there that you could put it in, and the brush will go back in the box where it came from.